Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Alex from LR Tech, and today I'll show you how to replace engine air filters on 3.0 and 5.0 Range Rover and Range Rover Sport. Engine air filter replacement is just as important as an oil change. Overdue maintenance can cause damage to internal engine parts such as pistons, valves and cylinder walls. The result is excessive oil consumption, poor performance and eventually engine failure. It's pretty straightforward procedure. Everything you will need, it's a Phillips screwdriver and couple engine air filters. The links you can find in the description below. Undo 6 screws located on the top of the air filter box, 3 on each side. I'll start with this side. And 3 screws on the other side. In case you need to disconnect mass airflow sensor connector, I'll show you how to do it. Slide this yellow pin out and squeeze it, and you can simply remove the connector. I was wrong, you will also need a flat screwdriver to loose the clamp. Take off the boot and lift up the cover. Here's the filter. Oh wow, I've made about 5 or 6 off-road trails on those air filters. Before installing new filter, you have to remove any debris from the bottom of the air filter box. All that stuff could be sucked into the engine. Let's put all back together. Simply place new air filter into air filter box assembly and make sure it is fully seated on all sides and corners, and reinstall the cover with intake boot. Tighten the clamp. And 6 screws on the filter box assembly. By the way, you don't have to remove them all the way. The same thing on the other side. Let's check this out. Yeah, it's too much. Oh wow. I like dunes. On the passenger side you will have to slide out this metal clip from this spot. And then slide it back. Make sure it sits perfect and there is no room for sand and dust. Simple as that, right? Replacing air filters on a regular basis is a cheap insurance against engine damages. Would you rather spend just a little on new air filters or thousands on an engine rebuild? Thank you guys for watching. If you have something to say, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the like button, it helps a lot. Subscribe and ring a bell so you don't miss my new DIYs. Thank you again and have a good day. Bye.